The city of Mobile is rapidly growing and changing and becoming the chosen home for new businesses, industries, manufacturing plants, and suppliers. From small businesses to large industries, Bishop State Community College is needed for them to survive and thrive. There has to be a trained, skilled, and knowledgeable workforce to reinforce this economic boom we're experiencing right here in the Port City. Located in downtown Mobile, Bishop State is a key player in providing training to maintain the businesses we have here and to attract more industries who will call Mobile their home. Bishop State is prepared to take its facilities to the next level in order to provide the high technical and high wage skills training needed for our service area. We will expand and repurpose the administration building on the main campus to create a world-class advanced manufacturing center with state-of-the-art equipment and technology for workforce development. With the continued growth of our allied health programs and the increased need for healthcare professionals, we are repurposing the library on main campus to become the new Allied Health Center. Nursing and physical therapy assistant students will now be able to experience modern simulation labs. Bishop State provides open access to quality and affordable education, which promotes workforce development. My focus and my daily commitment is for Bishop State to provide the educational and training tools to meet the ever-growing demand of a skilled workforce in Mobile and surrounding communities. Bishop State Community College sits in the heart of downtown Mobile. With the addition of the Advanced Manufacturing Center and the Allied Health Facility, Bishop State will be the catalyst to spark the future of workforce training along the Gulf Coast. We are Bishop State, Mobile's community college.